If you want to install Grammarly in Microsoft Outlook on Windows in 2026, this video will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to get it working. The good news is that Grammarly for Windows has changed the process a lot. You no longer need to hunt for a separate Outlook add-in in most cases, because Grammarly now works as a system-wide assistant that can help you inside Outlook automatically. So if you write emails every day and want better spelling, grammar, and clearer writing, this is going to save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to grammarly.com/desktop. This is the official download page for Grammarly for Windows. Once the page loads, look for the download option and save the installer to your computer. After the download finishes, open the installer file and follow the setup prompts on your screen. The installation process is very straightforward, so just keep clicking through the prompts until it finishes. Once Grammarly is installed, you should see it running in your system tray, which is the bottom right corner of your Windows screen near the clock. That small tray icon means Grammarly is active in the background and ready to help. Now here is the part many people don't realize. In most cases, you do not need to manually add Grammarly inside Outlook settings. You do not need to go into Outlook and install a separate add-in first. Instead, once Grammarly for Windows is installed, it automatically detects text fields when you open Outlook Desktop or even Outlook.com in your browser. So go ahead and open Microsoft Outlook and start a new email draft. As soon as you click inside the message area and begin typing, you should notice Grammarly appear as a floating G icon in the bottom right corner of the draft window. That icon is your Grammarly assistant, and it means the tool is active and watching your writing in real time. Now start typing your email normally. As you write, Grammarly will begin checking your spelling, grammar, punctuation, and sentence clarity in the background. If it finds suggestions, the icon may show a number indicating how many improvements are available. When you see that number, click the Grammarly widget to open the suggestions panel. From there, you can review each correction one by one and choose which changes you want to apply. This is especially useful if you want your emails to sound more professional, polished, and easier to read before you send them. Another helpful feature is the selection tool. If you want Grammarly to help rewrite a specific part of your email, just highlight a paragraph or sentence. A blue bar should appear near the selected text, and when you click it, Grammarly will show a pop-up menu with options like Improve, Rephrase, or Shorten. This is a great way to make your message clearer, more concise, or more natural without having to rewrite everything yourself. For example, if your email sounds too long or too formal, you can use Shorten or Rephrase to clean it up quickly. If you want stronger wording, Improve can help refine the sentence structure and tone. And if you're replying to customers, coworkers, or clients, this can make a big difference in how professional your email sounds. So to quickly recap the process, you download Grammarly for Windows from the official website. Install it on your PC, open Outlook, and Grammarly should automatically appear inside your email drafts without any complicated setup. Then you can use the floating icon and text selection tools to get real-time writing suggestions while you compose your message. If you are trying to figure out how to install Grammarly in Microsoft Outlook, that's really all there is to it. And if this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.